Welcome to our on-demand training for the Environmental Screening Tool, or EST. This training is provided by the Florida Department of Transportation, Office of Environmental Management. Use the Review AN Package page to enter additional comments from your agency that should be considered but are not captured elsewhere in the EST during the current programming screen. Open and view the published AN Package by clicking on the link. In the text area, provide any comments you may have. Type your password in the password field and click the blue Submit button. I hope you found the demonstration helpful. You can find more detailed videos and guidance in the EST Handbook page under Help. Additionally, page-specific information is available on the top menu bar. If you do not have access to the EST yet, you can find the videos on the OEM website, located at the address shown on the screen. This training supports the Department's Efficient Transportation Decision-Making, or ETDM manual. You can find the manual on the OEM website shown on the screen. Please feel free to contact us if you have additional questions. For questions specifically about the ETDM process, you can contact either Peter McGilvery or Ruth Rawaza. For assistance using the EST, please contact our OEM Help Desk. For project-related information, contact the ETDM coordinator or project contact listed in the project header. The OEM Project Development Coordinator or engineer assigned to the district can help with other process-related questions. Contact information is also provided on the EST under Help. Thank you.